Davis, tell me about Teddy. Oh, Sesame Street.
Davis, where's Teddy's nose?
Oh, okay. What were you telling Mommy? What were you telling Mommy?
There.
Okay.
Honk.
Is this his head? Tell me all. Where?
Ear.
Yeah.
Ear.
And the other one?
Ear.
Uh-huh.
Ear.
What's that?
Mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Where's his eyes?
Where's his eyes? But just show us. Just point.
Yeah.
Oh, what else? What else does Teddy have?
Oh.
Like you. Does he have these?
Uh-huh.
Where? Show me. What are they?
Fan.
Hands.
And fingers.
Fingers. Does he have arms?
You too.
And you too.
There.
Mm-hmm.
Dad.
And Dad?
Dad has
What about,
arms.
does Teddy have hair?
You too.
You too.
Dad.
And right there.
Dad.
And Dad's hair?
And Mom.
Oh yeah, Mom's hair looks great right now.
Bear.
There's a bear on Teddy.
There.
Yeah.
The dog.
All bears on his clothes.
Mom.
Are those his legs under there?
Are there legs in there?
See.
Let's
Let's
see. Okay. Oh.
Oh.
What else is in there?
His little what?
What are these?
So.
Socks. He's wearing little socks. What do socks go on?
Feet.
On your feet. That's
Stinky
right.
feet?
Does Teddy have stinky feet? Yeah, I bet he does. He's got stinky feet. Oh, no. We gotta leave Teddy's socks on. What's this right here? Diaper? Like Davis? Teddy has a diaper?
Pee-pee.
And he goes pee-pee in his diaper. That's right. A lot, actually. And Teddy goes burp, burp.
And two.
And toot.
And Dad.
Like that. Okay, that's good.